Recording, holy shit. After I made that video, I was in here about an earthquake. Two of them hit. I'm going to see what damage is in here. If something fell down in here. Whatever it was, I'll turn the lights on. But I'm getting ready to run in case another one comes. You never know this kind of stuff. Two earthquakes. Willits, California. Oh, this just looks good. At least the exit door is close by. Take a look up here. Whew. Talk about freak out. Gotta hit the exit real fast if I feel anything. I better check. There's an exit here, so. Move real fast. I mean, it was something else. So far, so good. That's tilted. Okay, I gotta check and see what fell. It made a lot of noise, so let's take a look. Everything seems to be okay here. You never know with this kind of energy. We'll open this up. I'll open up the other door and turn the lights on. Holy fuck. Excuse my language, but it's freaky. Checking here. Two earthquakes. Let's take a look and see what. Heard a lot of noise, so let's take a look. EVL was in here and he really freaked out. Why was I thinking of earthquakes? Weird. Psychic? I don't know. Gotta see what messes in here. What fell down in here? Sure made a lot of noise, whatever it was. Can I step in here? Holy shit. I don't know. I should wait a while before I even go in here. Oh wow, I flew off the shelf.
What fell down?
A few things. Wow. I came right off the shelf. So what a weird energy. This came
It
off.
was a 3.6 right in Willits. We've never had one right in Willits before.
And yet,
Followed a minute later with a 2.9.
wow, so you could really feel it though. Not too much
This
damage.
was it. This is where it happened, right here.
So I noticed here that fell down. Thank God I wasn't in here at the time. How funny. It's just kind of very impressive.
Guess we got a revolution.
Yeah.
We got to turn the Mobius, I guess, huh?
Yeah. Well, so far so good, but it's amazing how the energy actually moves things.
We're going to be leaving here shortly for the farmer's market.
Okay, I'll be ready. I'm just looking around here. Oh, that's what fell down this guy. Heavy. That block, oh, not too bad. A barrel? Okay, I'll clean that up later. Oh, well, right here. Okay, that was a good joke, though. That was pretty crazy. Yeah, wasn't really that well. I guess that was fell down. You would think that some of these things would have fallen, but no. No. Kind of scares the shit out of you, the earthquakes. No, I don't see anything. Tipped over, fell down. What's this? I don't think so. All right, moving along. So, gotta go to the farmer's market. No. Just a couple items. I guess the 3 would do it, but Sherwood Loud. Good to double check. Taking a chance and go in here. Oh, this guy's okay. He would help the earthquake along probably. Give him almost 9,000 pounds of weight. Oh, I'm a rush. I was through a 7 here, but it was far away. Take a look around here real quick. So far so good. Getting too far away from an exit just in case. No. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, he fell off somewhere. Huh. Where? I don't know. Check these because they're very heavy. This probably came off of here. Everything else seems okay. Oh, he fell off the game? I'll worry about you later. Well, I shouldn't joke about earthquakes. I don't need an earthquake. I just keep thinking I don't need an earthquake right now. Well, it's a video I made before, so I'm gonna get ready to go here. Okay, let's close this for now. Poor EVO, really scared the shit out of him. I'm gonna use language. No, these are okay. I'll do a double check later, but. Okay, close this door. I got my breath here. Holy shit. I'll close this, clean up later. Sure made a lot of noise. Alright, so I'll let you know it's another earthquake. 2 earthquakes in about 4 minutes.